Hello everyone, welcome to Learning with Shivangi. Today's topic is essentials or features of research design. As we already know about research design in the previous video, so I here give a brief introduction about research design, then we come to the main topic. So what is research design? What is meaning of research design? After the selection of a research process, the next task is the preparation of research design of a research project. It is known as research design and already known by different names, for example, research outline, plan, and blueprint. It is the second step of research process which comes after preparation of research problem. It is a very important step of research process because it made outlines of the whole research process, what we have to do, where we have to do, in what time we have to do, how we have to do. These all questions are solved through research design process, research design steps. So, what are the features or what are the essentials of research design process? We will come to the topic. It is the plan that specifies the objectives of the study and the hypothesis is to be tested. So, it is already, I know that it is a plan which specifies the objectives. What objectives? Research objectives and their study, and it makes outline for the hypothesis to be tested, which test to be applied in the hypothesis testing, which method of data analysis is used in the research process, how we apply hypothesis testing, it is a qualitative data analysis or quantitative data analysis, which type of research we have to use, what is method of data collection should be used, it is a secondary data or primary data, how we collect the secondary data, which is in the online mode or offline mode. These all questions can be solved through research design process, research design stage. Now we come to the second point, which is it is an outline that specifies the sources and type of information relevant to the research questions. And as I already mentioned about that point, that which type of source we have to use in the research process. It is secondary data method or primary data method. We have to use questionnaires or interviews for primary data method, or we have to use magazines, journals, papers, newspapers, etc. for secondary data method. Which method we have to use in the research process? It is solved through research design process. How we have to analyze data, how we collect the data, how we classify the data, how we convert the raw data into useful information. This all questions are also solved through research design method. Now we come to the next essential or feature of research design, which is it is a blueprint specifying the method to be adopted for gathering and analyzing the data. It is a blueprint, it means it is an outline, it is a complete step-by-step sequential process which is specifying for gathering of data, how we collect the data, from where we have to collect the data, and how we analyze the data, which software, which process, which analysis is used to analyze the data. These all problems are solved through research design process. Last is it is a scheme defining the domain of generalizability, that is whether the obtained information can be generalized to a large population or to different situations. It means how we generalize the conclusion of the research process, how we collect the information, how the information collected can be generalized to the large population. As we already know that we use sample size for a particular research process. We can't do research for large population. So we have to generalize the result to the large population by collecting the sample for a particular area, particular population to different situations. So how we generalize the result conclusion to the large population from samples, little sample, small sample, this is also solved through research design process. So these are the basic essentials or features of research design. I again repeat all the points one by one. First is it is a plan that specifies the objectives of a study. What is the objective? What is the main purpose of the study? And the hypothesis to be tested. How we have to test the hypothesis which we are using in the research process. Second is it is outline that specifies the sources and types of information relevant to the research questions. What are the research questions? What are the objectives? How we collect the data? What are the sources for data? How we transform the data from raw data to information, useful information? These questions are also solved through research design. Next is, it is a blueprint specifying the method to the adopted for gathering and analyzing data. How we gather the data, it is secondary or primary. How we analyze the data, which test is used for analyzing the data. How we apply the hypothesis, which software is used for analyzing the data. This is also used through research design. What is the scheme for defining the domain of generalizability? How we generalize the conclusion to the large population from small sample sizes to different situations. It is also done through research design. So it is all about the research design and its essentials or features of research design. If you have any query about research design or any other topics, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Shivangi. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.